Pursuant to Order 16, Rule 3 of the National Court Rules, Mr. Wereh applied for judicial review on the decisions of the National Executive Council as the first defendant on the appointment of Mr. Wereh as PNG's ambassador to the Philippines for a period of 4 years, effective as of 8 May 2024, and the revoking of his appointment as the Secretary for the Department of Works and Highways and the appointment of Gibson Holemba, the third defendant, as Acting Secretary for the Department, given effect by the Acting Governor-General on 13 August 2024. The principal issues identified, however, is whether the two decisions sought to be reviewed can be judicially reviewed, and whether the plaintiff has named the correct decision-maker of the decisions subject to the judicial review. While the plaintiff asserted that the first defendant, the National Executive Council, made the two decisions, the defense say the decisions were made by the head of state acting on advice. This is highlighted to be important as a judicial review requires that the right person apply for an appropriate remedy against the right person at the right time, and the court must be persuaded to grant the remedy sought. Justice Soli concluded that the head of state made the decisions upon advice of the first defendant, the National Executive Council, noting reference to Section 3 of the Claims by and Against the State Act 1996. This led to the dismissal of the proceedings as an abuse of court process, and the plaintiff is ordered to pay costs of the first, second, and third defendants.